Come check out this amazing move-in ready 3-bedroom 2-bath split floor plan home with 2-car garage in the desirable community of Island Walk in Apollo Beach. No HOA or CDD fees. This home features spacious living area, vaulted ceilings, sliding doors lead to the screened lanai to the fenced backyard, large master bedroom with roomy walk-in closet and private bath. Additional 2 bedrooms and bathroom are located on the opposite side of the home and laundry/utility room. There have been many recent upgrades completed in 2020 to include stunning gray with ceramic tile throughout the home along with 5 1/4 baseboards, newly painted interior, kitchen appliances, bathroom vanities and mirrors. Roof is just under 6 years old. The area offers residents many great perks and leaves behind the feeling of a big city. Minutes away from waterfront dining, restaurants, shopping, schools, Apollo Beach Nature Preserve, Manatee Viewing Center, marina and boat ramps with easy access to Tampa Bay.